Hi, good day. Today I will show you uh, how to make some queries and modify some tables and forms in it uh, and some VBA codes. So this is my uh, table I already created, and now I will make I will modify and create some fields in it. So this one I will make some sample department. So department, I will change this one into combo box, and I will mix some values in it. So admin, counting, sales. So I will save the table, and this is the form I already created in my previous video. Now I just need to modify this form and just drag this one here and there. That's the combo box there, and I will just make some adjustment in it. So this one, I'll change the size to shortest. This one I will make it big. Anyway, I can add some alignment in here. This one, for example, this one. So I just need to create this one. I just need to add a column here so that I can easily drag that one and make this one and merge, and I can modify this one. I will modify the margin. So for example, this one. So here you go, this is the one. So I can make this alignment, the grid. So now in this form I will make some modification in this one. I will I'd like to create a new search button here, which is the advanced search here. So advanced search. In the advanced search, I'd like to make another form. So I'd like to create a form. I will make a black form and make a header in it. So this one, I will change the background color. This one. So I will change this one into advanced search. Search. Now in this one, in this form, I will make some. I will hide some of the features in this form. So I will hide. I will make the auto center and record selector set to no. This one I don't need this one, by the way. So I will make I will save the form in FRM advanced search. So this will be my form name, and now I will create a list box in it. This is the list box. So I just need to click this one and make some modification in this one. So for example, in this list box, I'd like to make a record source in it, which is the employee. So this is the employee table, and I want to show the ID number, the key ID, then ID number, student, address, date, and department. All of this one. I'd like to view this one. Okay. So by the way, this is a SQL statement. So this is a SQL statement, and when you open the SQL, so it will display all of this data. So okay, I will 1 2 3, I will count the column. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So there are 6 columns in here. So I'd like to change this one. The column is to 6. Then I want to hide the first column because it's just a key. So I make 0. Then the next one is, I think it's 1. Good enough. 2. The other one is 1. 2. Department is 1.5. I think that's enough. Okay, let's run this one. Okay, here you go. Address. So date of birth, address, date of birth, department. Okay. 1 2 3 4 5 6. And I will make some button here. So I just need to copy this one. these two button here, visit here. Then I'd like to name this one okay button, so rename it to CMD okay. Okay, this one is closed, so let's save the form. This is the form 012 Philippines State of Department. Okay, make this one, I will change this one into 1. No, it's not. I think this one is 1 and this one is 2. Okay, good enough. So I like to make this the height should be auto size. So this one. So when you run this one, the height of this list box should be resizable. See that? So this one here. See, it's automatically resize. So okay, this one I just need to grab the code so that in it this one, and copy, paste it here. Okay, save, and now I will make this a form modal and pop up. Yes, so when you click this one here, so the form here, this one should be filtered. So here you go, this one, when you click that one, so I'd like to make a BB code here in here. So this one here, just need to copy this one, public function search, advanced search. So I just need to delete that one here. So just need to set this one here as string. Remove, I'd like to remove this one. So when I try to click execute this function here, so for example this one, when I click this button okay, so it will look for the function. I just want to call the function here, frm advanced search, that this one, advanced search, frm form advanced search. No, sorry, it's not that one. This one, employee, this one. So I will get the value of this list box here. So that column 0. Then I will close this form, do cmd that close this one, here. So another variable here, id as long. So this is the id. I'd like to assign the id number to this one here. So let's run the program. So let's run the program. So in here, this one, I'd like to open the form. To cmd that open form name, so let's run the program. So when I click advanced search here, so when I click this one here and select OK, it should be a filter. Oh no, it's not. Okay, just a minute. Oh, there's a bug on the code. Let's modify this one. ID number. No, it's not ID number. This should be ID. And this one. Okay, got you. So let's try again. 2. Okay. There you go. So now it's filtering the form. See that one? So okay, that's it for now. I will continue some tutorial here in this this database. We will make some modification in it. And thank you for watching my video. Have a nice day.